was going to show y'all how to cook some barbecue chicken and some okra on the K-Rigg. To start off tonight, and I didn't show y'all this in the last video, I'm going to show y'all how to start it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind the unit and turn on the propane gas. So you're going to go around the back, turn on your gas right there with your propane tank, go back over to the starter, turn your black dial towards the pilot light, push down, pop the pilot, and turn on. So I push down that black knob, pop my pilot light about 2 times, that red button, and then turn the dial to on, and that will start up my unit. Guys, y'all can hear it. It is on and heating. So there you go. That is starting the K-Rigg. Alright guys, so I just turned my unit on. As we're waiting for it to warm up, I am going to get my meat ready. Tonight we're going to cook some barbecue chicken and some okra that I've seasoned with some Landry's seasoning and salt and pepper, and the barbecue chicken is from H-E-B. We eat this on the weekly, so this is one of our everyday meals. Y'all, this unit can cook almost everything. It's versatile, it's quick. It's a daily smoker as compared to a smoker you would use on the weekends. So quick, easy to use. As the unit's heating up, I wanted to tell y'all it gets to about 450 max heat, and that is designed with the pressure to cook for the maximum potential on your meat. So you're gonna get the maximum cook, the maximum sear, flavor, color, everything you need, reaching that 450 when it's overall heated. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit about what we're cooking over here, and then we're gonna get going. Okay guys, tonight we are gonna have some barbecue chicken and some okra seasoned. We have this weekly. My kids love it, and y'all, this chicken is delicious coming out of this thing. It's moist, has a great smoky skin and crisp to it that y'all will be blown away once it gets done. Okra is also one of our favorites here. I don't know if y'all like okra as much as we do, but we eat a lot of okra. You can buy fresh. This is actually the frozen okra that I get. I feel like it lasts longer in the refrigerator for us. So this is what we're cooking tonight. All right, guys, our unit is about warm. We are going to get our wood chips in and prepped. The wood chips that we're using is a smoked hickory chip. You can get this as any of your Lowe's, Home Depot, H-E-B stores. I don't really have a preference. I've tried a lot of others, but hickory is what we're going with tonight. Remember, a small handful you're going to put in the side chamber that's going to go to the bottom, and what's going to create smoke for our unit tonight. All right, so I just put on our chicken legs with our okra. Y'all, I wanted to show y'all how big this unit is. It is capable of a very large brisket. Size, chicken, space-wise, it could fit a lot of stuff, so this would be a perfect option for a large family as well. Put my meat thermometer in. We're looking about 160, so we're trying to get to tonight. And I'm going to shut my unit, pressure light door down, and start up my engine. Like I told y'all last night, this unit runs about 7 psi. It takes a few seconds to build up. This chicken should be done in about 30 minutes. All right, y'all. Temperature just reached about 160, so I just turned my unit off, and we're gonna look and see what we got. Let me get a good viewpoint here. Okay, let's open it up. See what we're working with. Awesome. Look at the skin on that chicken, guys. Ready to eat. Y'all, you can do a side and a main course all in this unit. Done in 30 minutes. Do y'all get a view of this? It smells incredible. Chicken, okra, done in 30 minutes on the smoker. Y'all, this thing does some quick work and is going to be a delight to eat tonight. Y'all, check us out online, www.k-rigg.com.